Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu said, the month of Hajj are Shawwal, Zulqad, and 10 days of Zulhajj. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, it is a traditional act that one should not perform Hajj, but in the months of Hajj, and Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu disliked it that one should put on the ihram for Khurasan or Karman. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha reports, we went out with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam during the month of Hajj, the nights of Hajj and the season of Hajj. We dismounted at Sarif, so he sallallahu alaihi wasallam went to his companions and said, whosoever does not have the sacrificial animal and wants to convert it in Umrah can do so, and whosoever has a sacrificial animal should not do so. Out of his companions, some did the same and some did not do so. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and some of his companions were resourceful and they had the sacrificial animals, so they could not perform Umrah alone. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to me and I was weeping. He said, O innocent, why are you weeping? I said, I heard whatever you told your companions, but I cannot perform the Umrah. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, what has happened? I said, I cannot perform the prayer. He said, you did not lose anything. You are also one of Adam's daughters. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has prescribed for you whatever He has prescribed for them. So you should perform the Hajj. It is possible Allah Jalla Jalaluhu may bless you with both these things. She said, we set out to perform the Hajj. We set out to perform the Hajj, and when we reached Mina, I became clean. Then I left Mina and made circuit of Allah's house. Thereafter I went along with him in the final departure, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam stayed at Muhassab Valley, and we also dismounted along with him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked for Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Abu Bakr and said to him, take your sister so that she may put on the ihram for Umrah. Then after performing it, both of you should come here. I will wait for your arrival. So we went out, and when I had performed tawaf, I went to him in the morning. He said, have you performed it? I said, yes. He commanded his companions to depart. So the people set out facing Medina Munawwara. Imam Abu Abdullah Bukhari said, it is also said, وَدَرَّ يَدُرُّ دَرًّا is derived from Dara Yadurru Darran. It is also said, Darra Yadurru Darran and Dara Yaduru Dauran. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1560.